See you again with Chanel Toys DIY tutorial. How are you today, friends? In this video, we will make a toy made of ice cream sticks and rubber bands. This toy can run without a battery, without the need to charge the battery or other electrical equipment, because it is driven by the kinetic energy of a spring, which is produced from rubber. Without going into length, let's start making it. The first prepared material is, of course, the ice cream sticks. The tool needed is hot glue. Glue the popsicle sticks at an angle of about 45 degrees. Then attach a hook made from a short piece of wood, making sure it is securely attached. After that, cut a straw that will be installed in front with a length of 5 centimeters. Also prepare 2 straws with a length of 1 centimeter, which will be installed at the back. Prepare 4 caps for mineral water bottles, which we will install as wheels. Then give a hole for each bottle cap with a hammer. Just give a small hole, not too big so it doesn't come loose later. After everything is installed, prepare a long piece of wood that will function as the axle. The first is 7 centimeters long, which will be attached to the front wheel. Next, the second 10 centimeters, which will be the rear axle. Then insert each wheel into the axles made of wood. First attach the front wheels, then the rear wheels. Don't forget to glue the wheels with hot glue so the wheels don't come off. Then attach a hook made of wood to the rear axle. This will later be used to rotate the rubber that produces thrust. For this toy, make sure it is firmly glued so it doesn't come off. The final step, install the used battery near the rear wheel. This is intended so that the wheel traction has grip on the ground, because if it is not given a load, the wheel will skid. As a result, the toy goes in place. Finally, put the rubber on the front hook, secure it with hot glue so it won't come off when used, and the toy is ready to use. On the rear wheels, attach rubber so that the wheels do not skid and spin in place. The toys are ready to be played. We will test whether they function properly. It's time for us to try. Press the subscribe and like buttons. Don't hesitate to leave comments below the video. See you in the next video. Thank you.